So this morning we're in Manhattan. It's a beautiful day, as you can see, and I'm going to try head out to the sustainability project in Brooklyn. I'm not quite sure where to go or how to get there, but I'm sure along the way I'll figure it out. Ask some people, look at some maps. You know, there's a lot of different types of transportation. Basically, going to try to contribute positively to the community down there. This project is to do with e-waste and recycling, and basically that's the project for today. So now I'm walking. I think I'm going to try hit the subway. It's supposed to be like a 30-minute ride, not quite sure where we're going to go. This is Manhattan over here. As you can see out there, crossing over into Brooklyn. Basically, taking this subway. I think we're going to Union Street Station, and then we're going to walk a little bit to the e-waste program center over here. Brooklyn is like a very old part of Manhattan. A very old part of the city, much older than Manhattan, and it's very historic. So we'll see what we can find up there. Just, you know, talk about the culture and the history. So we've walked down President Street, and looks like we didn't get lost. Here's the e-waste center. We're gonna go inside. We're gonna help. We're going to contribute, and we're going to see, you know, just see what people are doing in there, and you know, hopefully we'll find some valuable information about the community and about how these people are contributing. Can you tell us a little bit about what the center is all about?
So this is our outpost. The Lower East Side Ecology Center is a community recycling program, as well as environmental education and gardening of public green space. But this operation is our e-waste recycling, and we are here as a drop-off site for people to properly recycle their electronic waste.
And what do you think? Has there been like a very positive response to this initiative?
It definitely has. We've been doing for 9 years community drop-offs for electronic waste, but this is our first permanent site.
And how do you think we can get more people involved to like volunteer or create more awareness about the project?
Currently we have an internship opportunity here for college students to come and learn about the operations here.
This is, I guess, your space. Are you guys trying to fill up like all the space?
Yeah, if we were to fill it up, it's over 100 tons of material. And on top of that, we'll be able to have some stuff to be refurbished and sold, rather than all the way recycled.
How do they actually like recycle the stuff? Do they just like crumple it up? Or
they actually put it through, think of a paper shredder, a gigantic one, and they shred it, and then you're able, through different mechanical ways, to separate the metals, glass, and plastic.
Okay, so they actually can refine it.
Yes, exactly.
Here we have Caroline, you're the head of?
I'm the development director at the Lower East Side Ecology Center, and this is our electronic waste warehouse. So I help out with the electronic waste program. I've been involved with the organization for about 3.5 years.
Wow, 3.5 years?
Yeah.
That's a long time. How long has it been around for?
25 years.
This has been around for 25 years?
Well, not this warehouse. The organization, the Lower East Side Ecology Center, has been here for...
Do they even have electronics 25 years?
Well, we started off doing recycling programs, really curbside, you know, metals, glass, and plastic. And then we moved into composting, and we've also obviously picked up electronic waste recycling. So we've been doing that since 2003.
You know, what do you think is the best way to reach out to people to get them more involved in this in the project, like to make them more aware of the waste and to try to get them to drop more stuff? What do you think is a good way to reach out to them?
I think people need to hear it from people that they know.
Okay.
I think when you hear that, for example, if we're doing an event in a neighborhood that my friend lives in, I may want to see my friend, but I'm also going to tell them what I'm doing there.
Right. So I think word of mouth is
definitely.
So here are some interesting facts about this organization. You know, there's just, you can see that there's been a law passed here that by next year people will be illegal to actually throw away your electronics. You have to recycle them or you could get some kind of a fine. And basically this little center over here is where they showcase some of the artwork that people have actually taken waste and created beautiful artwork for the community. So I think this project is actually a great example of a sustainability project within a developed world. You know, often people lose sight of all the busyness around them, but there's a core group who's making sure that, you know, the sustainability awareness is present in this kind of environment. And, you know, you have to go out of the way to find it, but there is a strong core culture here, and I really think that's going to make a difference to the future of this city and its path towards sustainability.